Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be driving on the May Pen Bypass. We just came off the highway 2000, and we are now at the roundabout. So we are turning, okay, let's go around the roundabout. You turn left here, you go on the May Pen Bypass, head towards Mandeville. Turn left here, you go into the town of May Pen. Turn left here, you go onto the Bustamante Highway and head back to Sandy Bay, and back to Old Harbor. Turn left here and you get back on the highway, and that left also takes you to Lionel Town. So we're going to go this way and go on the May Pen Bypass. So May Pen is the main town in Clarendon. It's the capital of Clarendon, and it's a very busy town. It's a very old town, so you have a lot of traffic issues and congestion in the town. So this bypass was built for people who are, say, on their way to Mandeville and you don't have any reason to go into May Pen. You can use the bypass and get along quite easily. Less hassle, less delays, less traffic. And that frees up the traffic in May Pen, the town itself. So this bypass, well, we're going to go up to this bypass takes you all the way to Clarendon Park, but we are going to go up to the roundabout where you can access the Highway 2000. So on the left of this road, Highway 2000 is, well, this section is built already from Kingston to May Pen, and it currently ends at a roundabout that we're going to come up to in a few minutes, and that's where the road then merges with the road we're on, or sorry, the Highway 2000 merges with the road we're on, which is the May Pen Bypass, and then you would continue on your journey on this road. However, the highway is being extended, so it's going to actually go all the way to Mandeville now, to Williamsfield in Mandeville. So it's going to bypass this road totally. Alright, so we're now coming up to the roundabout where the existing highway, the finished section of the highway, ends. Okay, so there's the sign. You can clearly see the sign that says, well, we go around the roundabout, so it will be clearer. So once the highway ends, this roundabout won't be anymore. Once the construction ends, I should say. Okay, so if we turn left there, we go on to Highway 2000. That takes you to Kingston, Spanish Town, Old Harbor. Straight ahead is where the new highway is under construction, and that leg of the highway. So you turn left there, you go back onto the May Pen Bypass. Turn left here, you also go back on the May Pen Bypass. So we're going to head this way and head on the May Pen Bypass, heading in the direction of Clarendon Park. We're actually going to go into the town of May Pen, so we're going to turn on to name of that road just yet, but I'll tell you guys soon. And on the left is a new bridge that was just constructed to facilitate the highway. So here you can see the sign that says May Pen Town Center. So we just came off the bypass now and are heading into the town of May Pen. Glenmuir Drive, that's the name of this road. No, not Glenmuir. It has the same name as the high school up here. Yeah, Glenmuir is the name of the school. So we're actually driving into the town of May Pen now. So on the left now is the Glenmuir High School, which is the top high school in the Clarendon area and one of the top high schools in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.